Namaste and what is up? It's me Aenish, and in this video म चाहिँ एउटा मेरो project एउटा share गर्न खोजेको which is IPO Calendar. I know there are IPO Calendar, you can get notifications from about that stuff, announcement details सबै कुरा थाहा हुन्छ, but मैले बनाउनुको reason चाहिँ that I just want to make my programming skills अलिकति better किनकि मलाई प्रोग्रामिङ थुप्रो आउँदैन and I just want to make it अलिकति भए नि better, right? So I just created this project known as IPO Calendar. यसमा simply के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि overall मा you can just get information on the IPOs, upcoming IPOs, हैन, and announcement stuff like that, everything. यसमा IPOs मजाले आउँछ and affect त्यो local area हरुमा के IPO distribution. I don't know that about much finance, but you simply एउटा IPO calendar बनाउनको लागि मेरो एउटा try हो, and it's been like about 3 or 4 months that I have been working on to this project. सधैँ चाहिँ गरेर आएको हैन, but almost 50% of the time भनौं न, almost 10 minutes a day को average गर्यो भने I made this project in around 3 to 4 months with zero level of programming skills, learning each day of already programming अनि धेरै पनि हैन already programming and simply just creating the stuff. So which I want to share with you, and yeah, just make a life अलिकति easier for my किनभने यो चाहिँ calendar form मा छ. So yeah, I just want to be अलिकति भए नि एउटा creativity एउटा निकालौं भनेर हो, because I didn't see that एउटा calendar view हैन जुन कि एउटा calendar view मा dates हरु आउँछ नि, like that stuff. यो साइट गरेर link in description मा मेरो साइट छ अनि you can find that thing and you can know about the IPOs, upcoming IPOs and stuff like that, eh? अब I don't know यो प्रोग्राम कति दिन चल्छ चाहिँ थाहा छैन हैन, but अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ चलिरहेछ which is pretty good. अनि I don't think यो प्रोग्राम all the time चल्छ because there are some restrictions, eh? So I'm not sure that it will run 100% and you have to rely on this things. Don't rely on my project, eh? किनभने I'm just a beginner about stuff अनि मैले बिगार्न सक्छु, like mistakes हुन सक्छ मेरो यो केही कोडिङमा, and yeah, just want to share with you and have fun, stay safe, stay blessed, and yeah, peace out, boom.